Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Google Meet. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.